Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the special Twitch drop wings on Dress to Impress. So you'll need to watch a Dress to Impress streamer that has this like notification here. As you can see, I'll need to watch the streamer for at least 30 minutes. You can type in watch time to see how many minutes you spent watching the stream. And then to view the drop, you're just going to go to your profile page here and then select drops and rewards. It says 90% progress towards Roblox drops. Select it and you'll be able to see the claimed here, like the drops here, when you're done. And I'll be right back to show you guys how you can claim the code. I'm just going to refresh my inventory here, and as you can see, the rewards are here, so I'm just going to select redeem. It's going to give me a code to redeem, so press redeem here. Okay, I'm just going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to Dress to Impress here, go to the code section, enter the code redeem, and voila, you have the wings. I think you can find it here in the dressing rooms. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!